What's up everyone, just Jason here. This is Just Jason Keto and More. If you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you know for the past few months I've been incorporating fermented foods into my diet pretty much at least once a day with a meal. Found it's really helped with my digestion. I've been working through some issues that I've had for years kind of thing. So a few months ago I started adding fermented foods to my diet, things like sauerkraut, and then some kimchi as well. So there's been multiple different types of fermented vegetables that I've had in my diet for the last few months. And I like having multiple different kinds of fermented food that I can add to my diet, so I can just switch things up and you don't get bored of things, and then you get different enzymes and everything that goes along with that. So I found something new to me anyways. Let me know if you've seen something like this before where you are. This is something that I hadn't seen before, so I picked it up, and this is living mustard. So basically this is a naturally fermented mustard product. It's from a company called Green Table Foods. Now this is a Canadian product. I'm sure there's lots of other companies out there that are making something like this. So like I say, it's just really clean ingredients. Just got sprouted Canadian mustard seeds, water, organic raw apple cider vinegar, pink Himalayan salt, and turmeric. So that's some really good basic ingredients. There's nothing in there that I'm worried about kind of thing. There's no natural flavors, obviously. It's just a fermented product. So it says naturally fermented, enzyme rich, probiotic. It's just something that I picked up. Now I have tried this before. I wanted to try it to see if it's something that I can add into my fermented foods rotation kind of thing. As you can see, I don't know, hopefully you can see that. It has like a very grainy mustard consistency to it. So there's a lot, it's not finely ground mustard seed. Bring that up to you. So it's more like a fancy mustard or grainy mustard kind of thing. So let's give it a try, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So right off the bat, it is very forward with the apple cider vinegar. You can definitely taste that first, but it's got that good mouthfeel of a real good grainy mustard, and the mustard seed flavor does come through quite well. It's definitely a good tasting mustard. It's just really heavy on the apple cider vinegar, which isn't a bad thing. It's just something to be aware of if you don't. If you're not a fan of ACV and the flavor of it, it's definitely sort of forefront in the flavors. The nutritional facts on this, and I'll put this up on the screen as well. So per 1 tablespoon, we've got 2 grams of carbs, one of them coming from 1 gram of fiber and 1 gram of sugars. They'd be naturally occurring sugars. 6 calories, 1 gram of fat, 1.5 grams of protein, sodium 65 milligrams, and then it's got some calcium and some iron. Not very much, but there's some traces of that in there. Again, I'll put it up on the screen. So you probably wouldn't use this as a sort of condiment on hot dogs and things like that. It would be way overpowering. I see this more as an addition or like a dip for like a good piece of ham or something, or if I have it with my burgers and eggs when I have those for supper. So just wanted to jump on here real quick. I don't want to drag this out too much. Basically, I wanted to just showcase this product and let you know that it is really good. Again, apple cider vinegar. If you don't like the taste of it, it's probably not for you. But I'm all for having different options in the fermented foods category, for my diet at least. Again, it's not for everyone. I see a lot of benefits from it. but some people may not. So it's sort of a thing you have to experiment yourself. So that was about it. Just wanted to jump on here real quick, let you know what I found and what I thought, basically. So enjoy the content. Please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Keep on thriving, my friends.